Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, 17th of June, and we are looking at Euro USD once again. This time on the 15 minutes time frame, we have another double bottom pattern forming as I record this. So, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button on your way in, and let's get into the charts. Guys, this is going to be a quick one because we are on the 15 minutes time frame, and we can see that this thing is actually moving as I'm recording. So by the time you watch this trade may have already played out and either have been stopped out or have reached targets. So either way, it's a great way to learn, right? So let's check it out. This is an exact type of setup that I like to see with regards to the double bottom. Reason is I have seen a clear downtrend, and remember, this is on the 15 minute, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Eventually, we came down and made one bottom. We came back up, could not pass this zone, right? This zone has been rejected. Look at those rejection wicks, right? Came back up, could not pass it, came back down, formed a second bottom. Right, now let's quickly jump to the MACD. We can see we have divergence on our histogram. We have the sellers weakening out. That's why these arrows are pointing upwards across the MA lines as well, right? We take it from the bottoms and the waves of these MA lines, right? We can see both are pointing upwards, so we have nice divergence, which is fantastic, right? So that's all clear cut. Now, what I wanted to see was an impulsive candle close above this next zone, which is exactly what we got. We can see this candle close beautifully above this next zone for the first time, right? Since early this morning at 5:45, we have been struggling to break above. Well, now we have. And what else do I like to see with these next candles that are retracing, right? I would like to see this candle retrace into the next zone before I open up a long position and take this pair north, right? But there's something with volume that is always very important for me, right? I like to see the retracement volume be a lot lower than the impulsive breakout volume, right? So, for example, we can see this is our impulsive breakout volume right here, right? This next bar of volume, or it may be the bar after that, or the bar after that, whenever it may come, I don't want it to break above this current area here. I need it to be lower than this volume because this tells me that the bears are not as strong as the bulls, right? And it's just going to be a simple retrace back into this zone of liquidity where we saw all these rejections. So this is clearly an area of interest, which is why we label it the next zone for our double bottom patterns. Okay, if I see low volume, then I will obviously wait for a retrace back into this area right here. My long position will open and I will buy this pair with two targets. Target number one being around the 1.0563 price point. Target number two being around the 1.058 price point. How did I find my targets? I used the trend-based fib extension, right? And let's see what we can see right now. So far, price has not retraced yet, which is fine. So I am going to let you all go while I sit here and watch for a retracement. You can always jump onto TradingView and check out the exact pair to see what happens. By the time you guys have watched this, who knows what may have happened, right? Definitely a fun one to watch. So on that note, I bid you all a fantastic Friday. Have a great weekend, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you later.